Hey there! With Ggives, you can enjoy your Lazada shopping without paying the full amount upfront. Follow this step-by-step guide to use Ggives as your payment method. First, start by opening your Lazada app, then browse your favorite items and add them to your cart. Make sure the total amount meets the minimum required for Ggives. Once you have added everything you need, tap Checkout. Double check your shipping address, selected items and voucher discounts before proceeding. Scroll down to payment options and select Gcash as your payment method. This will allow you to access Ggives for installment payments. You will be redirected to Gcash. Log into using your mobile number and authenticate with your OTP code. Ggives. From the available payment option, Ggives allow you to split your total into easy installments depending on your approved loan and terms. Selected your preferred installment plan. Ggives usually offers multiple options such as 3, 6 or 12 months depending on your eligibility. Review the breakdown of payments including interest and due dates. Once you are satisfied, tap confirm and pay. That's it. You will see a confirmation that your payment is successful. Lazada will process your order and you can track it under My Orders.